Today we are going to tackle the topic of Keto Trim. We, at Reviews of Wellness Products, have prepared a complete review video with all the information you need to know before purchasing Keto Trim. In addition, there are some extremely important warnings that I will mention throughout the video. So pay close attention to avoid mistakes when using or purchasing Keto Trim. The first crucial information about Keto Trim is, be careful about the website on which you buy the product, because Keto Trim is only available for sale on the official website. To assist you, I have left the link to the official website in the description of this video. Have you heard about Keto Trim? Find out how this supplement can help you reach your ketogenic diet goals. Let's explore what Keto Trim is, how it works, and what ingredients are used in its formulation. Keto Trim is a dietary supplement designed to support the ketogenic diet, which is based on reducing carbohydrate intake and increasing consumption of healthy fats. But how can Keto Trim help you on this journey? The secret of Keto Trim lies in its key ingredient, the patented natural white kidney bean extract, known as Phase 2 Carb Controller. This extract has been shown to reduce the digestion and absorption of starches in the diet by up to 66%. Imagine being able to enjoy starchy meals without worrying so much about the effects on your body. When you consume Keto Trim before a starchy meal, it acts as a carbohydrate blocker. It reduces the action of the digestive enzyme called alpha-amylase, which is responsible for breaking down starch into smaller molecules. In this way, Keto Trim helps slow down the digestion of complex carbohydrates, helping your body to stay in a state of ketosis. Importantly, Keto Trim is made in the United States using locally grown white beans in an FDA-registered facility. In addition, the main ingredient, Phase 2, is a proprietary extract derived from white beans that has been widely studied and trusted around the world. By adding Keto Trim to your diet and exercise program, you will be supporting your weight loss goals. Remember that Keto Trim is a supplement and should be used in conjunction with a healthy diet and regular physical activity. Control your carbohydrate cravings, support your weight loss, and get the body you want. So, I decided to record this video to warn about the importance of being careful when choosing the website to buy Keto Trim. Also, if you decide to purchase the product, it is essential to follow the treatment correctly and take it seriously. Remember that results may vary from person to person, as each body reacts in a unique way. I sincerely hope that this video was useful for you and that Keto Trim can really improve your life, providing you with several benefits. If you want to receive more content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching this video, and until next time.